So guys, first method in Windows 11, click to start, click to setting, system, scroll down, troubleshoot, more troubleshoot, click to network and internet. Okay. Next guys, verify your time, date and time. So click to start, type control panel, then clock and region. So select category, then okay, then click to date and time and choose your time zone. Okay, and then okay, internet timing and to sync. Okay, click to update now and then okay, okay, and close. Next guys, object DNS setting. So again go to control panel, view by category, then click to internet, say internet and sharing center, then click to network ethernet, then property, IP version 4, double click, set DNS. This is Google DNS. If you have a private DNS, so you can enter, otherwise you can enter 8.8.8.8 and secondary 8.8.4.4 and then click to OK. Okay, you can check easily, click to this one, your Google DNS. Okay, and then close it. Next method. Next guys, you disable your antivirus firewall, and suppose you are not using, so click to start and type control panel by default, then click to view by category, then system and security, firewall defender, and turn Windows Defender firewall on or off, and then just click to turn off Windows Defender and then click to save it and then close. Next, clean cache, click to start, type team, right click and then go to app setting. Okay, so then scroll down. First guys, click to reset, repair and click to terminate at one time. Okay, if this app still is working right now, reset this, so it is done and close. So this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last. So guys, how to uninstall Microsoft Teams? So first click to start and go to setting, then click to app, then click to install app. After that you wait some time, it will synchronize with your install app, and scroll down. Okay, scroll down. This is Microsoft. Click to three top, three dot to click, and then uninstall, and then again uninstall. Now this is uninstalling, and again one more Microsoft Team and personal. Again click to three dot and click to uninstall, and this is also Microsoft Team plugin, uninstall. Okay, that's completed. Hi guys, how to download Microsoft Team? So guys, open any browsers, like you have a Chrome, Mozilla, Microsoft Edge. First method, open any browser which is install your system. Then this is Google search box. If it is different, so you can type google.com. Okay, then type Microsoft Team download. MS means Microsoft. Okay, download, and then hit enter. Okay, so first link to right click to new tab. Okay, scroll down. Windows Microsoft Team. For the Windows desktop, click for the downloading. Now this is okay. Then simple click this file. If not getting, this is download icon. You can find also this is download. This is MS Team setup. Now this is installing, downloading Microsoft Team full setup to your system. So wait few seconds. So guys, finally this is installed. So if you create like meeting, so you can sign in, otherwise you can directly join the meeting. If you get anywhere from, you get a sign in password and users. Okay, otherwise joining. Okay, thank you.